In this video, I will show you how to upload e-tickets on Viagogo. So to do this, just go and open up Viagogo and then in the top right click on sell and click sell tickets. Now you just want to go through a few steps before you can then actually upload the e-tickets. So just click sell my tickets right here and then search for the event that you have tickets for and that you want to sell the tickets for. For example, if I search for Manchester United, you can then see the football club, so if you then click on it, you will then see upcoming events that I could have tickets for. So for example, Manchester United versus Nottingham Forest. If I click on this one, then I can start selling. Now this event is not currently available for public listing, so therefore that one is not available. But for example, I'll just take Formula 1, and let's say that I have tickets for this event. Then right here you can then choose the quantity of tickets you have. Then you can choose if you want to sell all your tickets together or if it doesn't matter or whatever you want to do. Then click continue. Then just go through all of this and click continue. And then here you want to select that you have e-tickets, so electronic tickets in PDF format, so they need to be PDF format, which usually they always are. And then just click upload my tickets and click upload tickets. Now when you buy tickets for example F1, then the tickets will be sent to your email as a PDF file. So just go and download them, and once you have them on your computer, then click upload right here and then just upload the tickets in the PDF file. And then they will be uploaded onto Viagogo. So that's how you can upload e-tickets on Viagogo. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.